年，打頭陣嘅係大會贊助國泰花車，一班國泰嘅機組以及係地勤人員，着上經典懷舊制服，首先出場，率先同大家拜年。
Leading the parade is our title sponsor, Cathay, with the float spent 80 years together with Cathay. Pilots, cabin crew, and ground staff, dressed in classic uniforms, join the celebration to share their pride and joy in this milestone year.
進入了 YMCA。今年國泰花車以慶祝80週年為主題，兩款經典客機歸原形係過去與現在嘅時光隧道，象徵國泰一直與香港並肩同行，攜手邁向更好未來。
Celebrating its 18th anniversary, Cathay presents a commemorative float featuring two iconic aircraft soaring through a time tunnel that bridges the past and the present. A powerful symbol of Cathay's long-standing partnership with Hong Kong as they move forward together into a brighter future. 明日似在遙遠，世間正在轉。Do you wanna dance tonight？ 明日似在遙遠，一切在轉。Do you wanna hold me tight？24年冠名贊助新春匯演嘅國泰，今年繼續同大家一齊迎接馬年來臨。旅遊發展局再一次感謝國泰嘅鼎力支持。On behalf of the Hong Kong Tourism Board, thank you, Cathay, for their unwavering support over the past 24 consecutive years.非常榮幸連續第24年冠名贊助國泰新春國際匯演之夜，同嚟自全球各地嘅旅客同埋香港市民聚首一堂，喜迎馬年。今年適逢國泰成立80週年，我哋準備咗一系列嘅慶祝活動，同大家一齊回顧國泰多年嚟精彩嘅旅程，同時展望將來。馬喺中國文化裏邊象徵勇往直前嘅精神。我哋期望未來同大家繼續積極求進，同心飛躍，展開更多非凡嘅旅程。最後，我喺度同全港市民以及嚟自全球嘅旅客拜年，祝大家新一年馬到功成，龍馬精神，國泰民安。